Hey developers! Have you ever wondered how to show error message in different languages? Today I will show you how to build a simple translation system in Go that will help you with this task. Imagine showing errors automatically in English, Spanish, or any language you want. Sounds cool, right? Let's see. Typical apps, when something fails, errors looks like this. Error not found, invalid password, division by zero. But what if your user only speak Spanish or other language? They will be like, what does that even mean? For this reason, we need a system or library that translate errors. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you. First of all, let me show you the README file. Here, you will see a clean and simple project, no external dependency, just pure Go. You will see several key points, such as the main feature that I built into the project. For example, support English and Spanish, practical examples, translate handle error, custom error with translation, a message with params, and more. The project structure is with the main.go, the translation.go, example, config, and the readme. The requirements, the installation. Okay, let's go and run the app. Go run. And this is the output. You can see the basis message in Spanish and English. Value errors, specific errors, when something, what happened when the key doesn't exist, the support language, and several examples more. The main component, this is translator. If you can see, this is the basic structure. Functions that load the translation, get the value with params, get support language to know which language is implemented in the system, and if the key has the translation for the specific language. You will have a little definition or example how to use the function. For example, you create a new translator, the translation.get, pass the key and the language, and you receive the translation, a specific translation for the language, with params, has translation, and support language. There are some examples more clear than the console. Welcome, user found, operation success, valid errors, error with params, for example, use greetings, hello, name, welcome to our platform. Additionally, the app have a behavior. When you pass a specific key and a specific language and is not found, for example, it will try with English. If it's still not found, return missing key. Additional, let me show you. In this part, I give you suggestions for the next step. For example, in projects, it's common use a JSON file or other language to have translation. If you want to try, you can add more language like French, Portuguese, etc. Or JSON files. Try to move all the translation from the code and put in a JSON file. And on the other hand, you can save the translation in database and try to do dynamic translation. And that's it. A simple, powerful translation system with zero dependency.